So the world of decentralization is faced with lots of rug pulls as DeFi scams are growing by day. So live here we have this article on CoinMarketCap's blog. Alexandria says 8 arrests have been made in China after rug pull steals millions of dollars. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like this video, share this video, and drop your comments. We also encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notified whenever we drop updates on crypto news, reviews, airdrops, learn and earn campaigns, and much more, guys. So, heading now to this article, it says 8 people have been arrested in China in connection with the rug pull scam involving cryptocurrencies. So they are accused of obtaining 50 million yuan, about $7.8 million, at the time of writing through illegal means. So hundreds of people are believed to have placed money into what appeared to be a legitimate investment opportunity, but they later lost contact with the project's founders after the website was closed. The police explained the case involved a huge amount of money. A large number of people involved with the masses suffered heavy losses. It appears that the smart contract code used for the project had a backdoor. That meant cryptocurrencies could be withdrawn without the consent of investors and then transferred to an anonymous pool for money laundering. So pictures provided by the police showed bundles of banknotes along with a high-end Audi that was decorated with a bow. A statement added, the suspect's property, such as villas and luxury cars worth of tens of millions of dollars, purchased with all stolen funds, was seized and seized in accordance with the law. The work is continuing to reunite the victims with their lost funds. So, guys, we have a CoinMarketCap podcast. You want to check it out? It's usually very informative. It's available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So, China clams down continues. The police action comes as Beijing continues its clampdown against cryptocurrencies. So, measures that have predominantly targeted Bitcoin miners. Instead, the country has been focused on developing its own central bank digital currency, digital yuan, which is set to play a steering role at next month's Winter Olympics. So, state media has issued regular warnings to consumers about the dangers of investing in cryptocurrencies, expressing fears that many of the digital assets on offer turn out to be fake. So, guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap blog and news review. Keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you find these helpful. Stay tuned for more. We'll be dropping more updates, guys, NFT airdrops and more. So if you want to stay tuned and so you get notified when we drop updates. Peace out, guys. One love and see you in our future updates.